Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about gathering data and how we went about gathering our data inside of our prototypes. So at the end of each of our prototypes, we had little surveys, and on those surveys, we had some questions that were both broad questions about the overall prototypes in general, and then we went more focused on those questions. So some of our broad questions were we had like, what is your age? And we gave little age ranges. And then we also asked, how did you like the prototype on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. And then after we asked those more broad questions, we went in and we kind of focused in on that specific prototype. So we asked, what specifically did you like about this prototype? And then write 3 words that described how it made you feel. So for instance, these are some of the results from our Pony Express prototype. So for the what is your age, here's a little pie chart of how we got the age ranges. And this is out of 41 responses. So as you can see, the majority is the purple, which is 18 years and older. And then the second most is a tie between the 9 to 12 and the 13 to 17 year olds. So the majority of the results were from 6 to 13, which is kind of our target age. Sorry, 6 to 17, which was kind of our target range. And then we had our, like I said before, so this is kind of still more of the more broad question, like how would you rate the video of the Pony Express? And you can see here that majority of the kids did enjoy the video, giving it 7 and above. There was a couple of people who didn't care for the video as much, but the majority did enjoy the video. And then going from the video to the game, again, the majority of the people who voted gave it a rating of 7 or above. And it tells us that people really did enjoy playing this Pony Express game. So next we have our more specific questions. So for the Pony Express, one of them that we had was 3 words that best describe how this activity made you feel. And instead of just showing you all the words, I kind of highlighted a few words that I saw and a bunch of them that popped up a lot. And those were fun and exciting, but also frustrating and hard. And that kind of tells me that if something's hard, it makes it a little bit more fun. And if it's easy, then it's kind of boring. But if it's a little bit of a harder game, it gives it something more to strive for. So the key takeaways that we have from the data that I was able to collect was, one, that kids enjoyed using their imaginations. They had a lot of, and also 2, that they had a lot of fun learning about the trails through games. They don't necessarily like to just learn about the trails by reading about them, but also by pretending that they're there and playing some kind of game that shows them what it was like on the trail. Thank you for watching.